already putting a sign just right in front of our house, and we still have 3 months. 3 months before we leave. There's a sign, to let means to rent. Good morning. So today is the day the movers will be coming. They would be taking all our stuff in this house. We're not leaving yet. We still have like more than a month of staying here, but we just want to make sure that it is because it would take like 3 months before it gets back to the States. So we're just making sure that when we get to the States, we're ready to move in with all our household goods ready to a new house. So this is what we usually do when movers will be coming, so it would be easier for them to pack our stuff. We usually like set aside whatever stuff that they don't need to pack. So these are all the boxes that came from the attic all the way up there. So we took it down so it would be easier for them. So they would just grab it and put on the truck. And like all our clothes, what I did is I put everything on top of the bed. So they would just put it on boxes, or yeah. So that's what I did for the past week. So if ever you don't want them to pack something else, you just have to close it and inform them that they don't need to pack it. Like all the frames and everything here on the table have been removed. These are all the frames, and all our kitchen utensils are on the table. See, so everything would be ready for them to pack, so that it would be easier, faster, and they can just pack and go. So we have a few minutes left waiting for the movers. See ya. And the movers are here. It's a big truck. They're putting plastics on the carpet before they are packing our stuff. been moving several times, and I really don't know what happened, but they want to come back tomorrow. They were not able to finish today, so the truck is leaving. It's not full yet though, but I don't know what happened, because they said that they will still have to drive back, in which it would take them like 2 hours to drive going there. They left 6 a.m. this morning. It's close to Croton, the other US base, and they left 6 a.m. and they got here like past 9 o'clock already, and they have to go back. It's just like past 2 o'clock, and they have to go drive to Croton. So they left already, and there's still a lot of boxes left here. They really have the reason to be back tomorrow. It's all packed already. All you have to do is just put it on the truck. Let's check upstairs what's going on. So they're putting like plastic all over like the carpet, the stairs. Oh, they still left the bed frame. The bed frame is still here, and the headboard and the dresser. So there's still a lot of boxes here. So they really have the reason to be back tomorrow, and there's still a lot at the garage. So they still have boxes left here, and tapes here, and more at the, I still have shoes here, and there's still more here in the kitchen, and they have not touched yet the garage. So if I'll be counting, probably we have been moving from Virginia to Pennsylvania, Japan, Washington, Monterey, California, back to Japan, then here. Oh, we have been moving. This is our 8th move already, and so far this is the only move in which the movers, or the one who packs our household goods, will be taking 2 days. Really expecting that they will be done today, but it's okay. You don't know what's going on. They don't want to finish it. So see you tomorrow. Bye. So we have been moving several times, and I really don't know what happened, but they want to come back tomorrow. They were not able to finish today, so the truck is leaving. It's not full yet though, but I don't know what happened, because they said that they will still have to drive back, in which it would take them like 2 hours to drive going there. They left 6 a.m. this morning. It's close to Croton, the other US base, and they left 6 a.m. and they got here like past 9 o'clock already, and they have to go back. It's just like past 2 o'clock, and they have to go drive to Croton. So they left, and the one that is picking up our loaner furniture are here. The truck, this is just a small truck. I'd just like to say bye to our house for 22 months. Bye. 2 years. Sa August pa kami mag 2 years.